down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking. So I was making this wig for a client, and then I just decided to film it like when I was already almost halfway. So she sent me the pic of her hairline, the shape of her hairline, like this. So I just sketched it on this cap. And then, okay, she wanted like a mosodo, like here it's going to be like a mosodo, like this. This is how I'm going to do it. So these braids are going to go up here so that she holds it like this, and then here at the back I'm going to do the braids, because she didn't want like the cornrows to start here at the bottom, the braids to start here at the bottom and going up. This one's to be here because she feels like she won't be able to, you know, to just make this part look perfect. She actually picked the colors herself, like this one, number 33, this one, and then also she asked me to blend it with this color. She wanted these two colors. I used to tell you to use this thread, but I just found this one, like it's very strong, and then it's also thin compared to this one, and it's strong. And don't use this one. This one is very, as you can see, don't use this one, use this. It's undetectable. Even like on the hairline, no one is even going to notice the thread. Yeah, so guys, if you get this thread, just use it. Use it. It's actually the best. These are the braids that I'm going to use. I made so many of them. So when you're making these braids, just make sure you make them when you're relaxed, so that, you know, it can be tiresome to make all these braids. So just make them when you're relaxed, maybe when you're watching a movie. I pinned down the braids and then started sewing them. So like doing this quickens up the process when you pin the braids down first before sewing them. And then, as I told you earlier guys, this thread is just the best because it's not detectable when you, especially if the braids are small, like no one can see the knots and the thread, and then it's so strong it can't be cut easily. So guys, if you want me to make you a wig, I'll leave my details in the description box down below or in the comment section so that you can contact me. I'm going to follow the marks that I drew earlier. This is actually the middle part of my head. I used my head to just do the sketching, and then just make sure you follow the marks that you drew. So the hair on the marks that you drew, don't go above, especially for the hairline. Don't go like above or below the lines, because that is actually the shape of your hairline. At the back you can just go under, slightly under, because the corners at the back, they might be lifting the cap. So at the back you can go like under the line that you drew, but in front on the hairline, just make sure you sew the braids on the line. So when pinning down the other side, or when sewing the braids on the other side, just make sure you compare them with the opposite side, because you want the shape to be the same, and you also want the arrangement to be the same as well. So I'm just going to follow my lines and sew the braids on the cap, and just repeat the same process.
No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the better below. You said myself that this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. This is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bottom below. You said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. I know the truth.
I'm going to use these long Abuja braids at the back, crochet them on the cap and braid them.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh.
You can actually wear this hair without doing the baby hair, but if you want it to look more natural, just go ahead and add some baby hair.
By your
I marked where I was going to sew the combs, and as you can see, it's slightly like not where I always sew them, because if it was mine, I could have sewn it like near the hairline, but because I want her to insert in her hair, I decided to just push it back a little bit to make it more secure on her head. I sew 4 combs on this cap, 1 at the back, 2 on the sides, and then 1 in the middle, and then I sewed this band as well. I cut the lace. As you can see, I cut the lace. For the baby hair, she'll just have to trim it, and let me just try it on. So guys, this cap fits so well. I didn't even use the combs on the sides because I have a cap on. I didn't want to try this hair without a cap, but the cap fits so well. Of course, again, if you have a cap inside, you can't use the combs because it can't be inserted in your head. So when you wear this wig, don't wear them with a cap because you have to use the comb to make it more secure on your head. And then I love how long it is. I love the color, and then it's not even heavy at all, and it's long.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but this feels like coming.
So the baby hair doesn't look that perfect right now. It doesn't look that good because she'll have to apply gel. Yeah, and I love how long it is. I've not even used the combs, I've just used the band, and I've also not used glue, but as you can see, the cap fits so well. So she'll just have to apply concealer on it to make it blend with the complexion, and no one is even going to tell that it's a wig. So for the baby hair, guys, as you can see, it looks so messy, but the hair is soft. The baby hair is very soft. So once she applies gel on it, it's just going to lie flat on her skin and look so natural.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
If you want me to make you a wig, I'll leave my details in the description box down below or in the comment section so that you can contact me and I'll make it for you. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.